Welcome to this tutorial on creating a party particle effect in Unity. Particle systems are a fun and dynamic way to add visual effects to your game, making it more lively and engaging. Whether you want to simulate fireworks, confetti, or magical sparkles, Unity's particle system allows you to create stunning visual effects with ease. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to create a party particle effect in Unity, perfect for celebrations or festive scenes in your game. Let's get started.
Go to the hierarchy window. Next, right click on select effects. Then click on particle system. You will now see particles being emitted in your Unity game. I want the particle system to fall downward, so I am changing the rotation along the axis to 90 degrees. To make the particle system visible in the camera, I am adjusting its position and rotation to face the camera. In the particle system inspector, scroll down to the render section. By default, the render mode is set to the billboard. We are changing to mist in the render mode. In the render section, you will notice the mist has updated. Now, search for sprite default in the material field and select it to change the particle's appearance. And finally, change the mesh to plane for a flat, party-like effect. This will complete the setup, giving you a party-style particle effect. To change the size of the particle, stop the particle system. Go to the inspector and find the start size section. Open the drop down and select random between two columns. Set the values to 0.01 and 0.1. This will randomize the size of the particles within the specified range. Now you can see the difference in the particle sizes. The particles will vary randomly between 0.01 and 0.1, creating a more dynamic and natural effect. Now we can create more particles resembling papers. Go to the emission section in the inspector. Under rate over time, increase the value to generate more particles. This will increase the number of particles in the scene, making it look like many papers are being scattered. Now, to change the color of the particles, go to the inspector and find the start color section. Select random between two colors and color over lifetime for dynamic changes. Add points on the gradient bar and assign different colors to each point. This will create a vibrant, randomized color effect for the particles. Now, you can see the particles displaying vibrant colors as per the settings. The colors will either transition smoothly or appear randomly, adding a dynamic and visually appealing effect to the particle system. To change the shape of the particle flow, go to the shape model in the inspector. Choose a shape like cone, sphere, or cube in the drop down. Adjust the scale values for X, Y, and Z to customize the shape and size of the emission area. This allows you to control how and where the particles flow in your scene. And you can see the changes in the scene. The particles flow according to the selected shape and the adjusted X, Y, Z values, creating a customized effect in the particle system. create a flowing paper effect in the air, follow these steps. Go to the inspector and enable the rotation over lifetime module. Check the separate axis option. Set values for the X, Y, and Z axis to define the rotation. You can observe the dynamic flow of the particles in the system. To adjust the speed of the falling party paper, go to the inspector and find the start speed section. Open the drop down and select random between two constants. Set the desired speed range by entering two values, example 1 and 5, for the particles to move at varying speeds. This will create a more natural and dynamic effect, as the particles will now fall at different speeds. By following these steps, we have successfully created a dynamic and visually engaging party particle. We explored customizing the shape, size, speed, rotation, emission, and color of the particles to achieve realistic and realistic effect. With these techniques, you can further experiment and enhance your particles. Have fun creating vibrant effects for your Unity scene. See you in next video.